currently making the jump right now, and it's looking pretty nice. Here we got the in run, little jump POV, pretty nice bump, and then we got the run out.
Hi.
We're back!
Let's get to the sledding, my boy.
Oh, the dirt.
I hit the ramp and the board stopped.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, buddy!
I'm doing this again. That was cool. Oh. Yeah, buddy! On the inside of it!
What about me? Do I get a shout out?
Oh, baby!
Let's send it, boys. Rise and Alpine. I love you. Lock in.
Oh, oh no! Oh my god. Oh, he went over.
Rolling.
Gravity. Oh. Watch out. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Bruh.
What about mine? This is JR Aftermath. Dude just looked like he came back from the mines.
I'm
fine. Alden,
What can I say? I'm just I'm an inventor.
Motor.
Alright, I'm gonna take my pants off.
Rolling. Yes, sir. Let's send it, boys. Rise and Alpine. I love you.
What's up, guys? It's Nedloh here for the first time on this hill. I didn't realize I had a fear of heights until now. I haven't gone yet, but I'm really regretting my choices of showing up today.
Oh, you! Yeah, baby. Oh!
All your catch me.
Oh!
Oh, baby!
Yeah, buddy! Oh! I went Mach 10! Oh! Well, now we're all dead. And that concludes it for this video.